He says Murica.
Such a sick truck.
Right there, you can see the different lenses.
Oh yeah. Wow, what's happening?
Is that your Viper?
Yep.
Got it. Try to back up into that.
Yeah, he's going into that spot.
That's a tight squeeze. That Mustang's sweet too.
The Mustang's got a big turbo on it.
That was a supercharger.
Yeah, that's a clap, like, dude.
That Mustang sounds really sick.
The Mustang's no joke. Yeah, you might be right. That might be a supercharger.
All that.
It is. That's why it's so cool.
Gotta get that GCR.
Look at this thing, man. This thing's jacked up. That's not bad.
I think that's Sally. Yeah.
Oh yeah, get that charger going. Buzzing. You know why it says that? Because it's supercharger. That's a slick blade.
That's usually like
I'm gonna write out a video
We'll
soon.
cut out, yeah. I know.
Yeah.
Another supercharger. Jeez.
Yeah.